Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find the closest Leroy Merlin shops in the Leroy Merlin app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app. Then on the top left corner, tap on these three lines. That is the menu icon. Then the third option is the shops. Tap on the shops. And here you have to select the city, or here you will see the list of the shops. For example, let's choose this. Then here you will see the program, the exact address, and here you will have a phone number and some describing from the shop, and you can open it in the maps if you would like to. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.